I know I say this every time, but this pistol right here is probably one of my favorites. This is a Jericho 941 made by the company Hudson. It is the only Jericho gas blowback pistol there is, which is surprising considering it's a fairly popular pistol. There is a non-blowback one, but that is not this. This is an extremely rare full blowback model. So there's the mag. It looks like a standard mag. It is proprietary to my knowledge. I don't believe anything else uses it, but yeah, standard gas mag. And then here's the pistol. You can see it is the 210 model. They came in 3 colors: all black, all silver, and 210 like this. Then they had a model that was heavyweight as well as ABS plastic. Pistol is double and single action. Mine has an odd double action. If you pull the trigger lightly and then pull hard, it works fine. The double action bar is wearing out on it. So there's your mag release. I actually like the positioning. It's a fairly simple pistol, no complex curves, it was made for the military, so nothing too advanced about it. You have a slide catch, you have safety, which both locks your slide into place, as well as blocks your trigger. I don't like the safety positioning. It's right on the slide serrations, and it's very easy to accidentally engage. The pistol is a fairly weak recoil spring, but it doesn't affect shooting at all, except occasionally you get misfeeds, as the babies don't feed fast enough. You have gorgeous trademarks. This is the 41AE model. So the name Jericho 941. Jericho is where it was made, and 941 stands for 9mm, as well as 41. A, which are the 2 calibers it came in. So taking it apart, it comes apart like a CZ75, which it's based on. This was a project between IMI and Dingfolio, IRL. But yeah, the Hudson one, it doesn't have a dropping barrel, but it is fairly accurate. You can see your piston and blowback system work like a Maruzen PPK. It has an auto-switching, like, little brass cylinder in it, I guess is the correct term. And there you can see your slide lock with the safety. You have an adjustable rear sight. Front sight is not adjustable. So put it back together, it's actually real easy. Barrel drops in, spring. And then slides back onto the lower. Then you'll want to push it back and insert that pin. And there you go. It's a gorgeous pistol. I love the thing. They're really rare. They go for about $350 to $500, or depending on who you can find one from, if you can find one at all. Here's some shooting. Toodles.